I'll be showing how to make a herbal tea for female which will help to regulate hormonal imbalance. This tea is very effective if you have menstrual cramp, hot flashes. It's also good for weight loss and so many other health benefits. So to make this tonic herbal tea, we are going to be using licorice root. So I'm going to wash this to avoid any impurity or to avoid contaminating the tea. Licorice root is a wonderful herb that will help to relieve the symptoms of menstruation, menopause. It is also used to treat stomach ulcer, good for sore throat, cough, and also for treating skin disorder. You can also decide to use the licorice root powder. Please check out my video on how to make your licorice root powder at home. So when I'm done washing the licorice root, I'll add it into a mortar. I'm also going to be using ginger. I have fenugreek seed, so I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed will help to balance your hormonal level. It will also help to relieve menstrual cramp, and it will help to lower blood sugar. I'm going to be pounding this so that I can get all the nutrients from the herbs, and also so that it can be easy for me to extract all the nutrients. So when I'm done pounding this with a mortar, I'm going to add it into a pot. I'll be adding 1 cup of water and allow this to boil for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I'm going to leave this to infuse before straining to get the drink. So while the liquid is boiling, I'll be adding some cinnamon stick. You can also use the cinnamon powder. So adding the cinnamon stick is optional. You can decide to leave this and add any sweetener of your choice. So when I'm done boiling, I'm going to remove it from the heat and strain to get the drink. Finally, the hormonal imbalance tea is ready. This is a tonic herbal tea for women because it will help to regulate your hormonal imbalance. This tea will help to relieve menstrual cramp, hot flashes, excessive sweating as a result of menopause. This tea will help to detoxify and good for weight loss and so many other health benefits. I hope you will try making this tea, and please leave us a comment and share this video. Thank you all for watching.